Ubingelela baba udokotela baba wesizibawujalo ufana umhleja ekhehlela umzulu amancinci sangeselo futhi ngixolisa inyanga ehlezi iquza imiqondo yenu. Yeah, we're showing that ukuthi we can think. Baba udokotela wenyanga uma lapha ndabuko ngisenzele building selibiza ukuthi Nedbank House Building. Ilapho kuzongifica khona. Ngisebenza ngokuba uma lapha ndabuko ngisonisa ngoba ngithwasanga ndawo ngizamule angibholela umuntu. Hayi ngenze into le. Baba udokotela namhlanje into engifuna ukunika yona ihlukile. Ngifuna ukuthi sikhuluma about fighter jet. Njengoba lapha ndabuko sikade ngibuka lento ye artificial intelligence ukuthi ngempela do we know ukuthi singena kuphi and do we know when to come back, because njengamanje we got satellites like Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. It has traveled more than 27 billion kilometers to the interstellar space over a period of 45 years, but we don't know what are we investigating, lava, because when it comes back to us, if it may come back to us, what to bring, we'll be able to destroy it, because currently that spacecraft is traveling close to 75,000 kilometers per hour. Are we willing to shut it down? I don't think so. We don't have that instrument. If we do, tell me which one. But bakithi ngifuna ke siyibuke so ku-2025, by 2035, so we are sitting at 30% to 35% where IA advancement. By 2035, I repeat, by 2035, even the blind people will be able to see. People with blindness completely. People with glaucoma, people with cataracts will be able to see because of advanced medical stage of AI. This thing, there's nothing wrong about it, because anyone who committed a crime, amaphoyisa awazomfuna. They'll send him or her the message that report to the nearest police station or your AI will be deleted. No one will want to lose the intelligence. No one wants to remain as a fool. For that alone, because AI will be mandatory just now. I repeat, AI it will be mandatory just now, because proven fact, it's fine that it's something that is working. Because if you got something that is so intelligent around you, will you want to buy it? Now. But if you committed a crime, your account will be discontinued. Like your Netflix, you are tuned to Netflix. What are you watching on Netflix? Nothing. But you are cock. We book once, twice a month, 3 times a month. Go to your cock. Na yoga futhi DSTV. Ibuka DSTV kahle. Ile nto bungayibuka nje ku-SABC verse akuyona into ibuka njalo but uyayikhokhela. But awuzibona ungasena i-DSTV ngoba wena okhokha subscription yakho has been suspended. Same thing apply to AI. The time we reach 2050, everybody will feel comfortable that we're no longer asking ukuthi kwenzekani ekhaya. When you open up your eyes looking at a certain screen, you'll be able to see exactly what kwenzekani ekhaya. You don't have to call them. How yini kwenzekani manje kwenzekani. And the AI it will be so good in a sense that ngeke usashawa stroke, because cholesterol accumulation in your body will be early detected. The problem is one, the gene mutation will be so advanced to human race, because people will have AI in their body, and when they have sex, obvious DNA will be compromised, because AI will be binding to your genes. Ngalo ndlela izozala ingane ezi-intelligence kakhulu. How understanding? Just now, when we reach 2040, the wish of sex will demise. The birth rate will start to drop because of AI. Prove me wrong. In Japan, no one wants to get married. They are so busy, they don't have time for children. Listen to me carefully. In South Korea, youth don't want to get married. Because if you get married, you submit your privacy to another person who is less educated compared to you, because you want to be a wife. By 2040, more people say, no, I'm not getting married. Leave alone not getting a child either. Other countries now, they are begging people to have children, minimum of 3. Israel begging people Ireland begging people. Wales begging people to have children. The birth rate is demising. Hence, AI is coming. AI is taking over. What if AI goes rogue? What will we do? What are we prepared for that? Seeing abantu, do we see anything wrong? Because even a phone that you just purchased, sometimes the thing will because in a factory fault. You understand? The most expensive phone that you are, if in the car that you are driving, it doesn't blow the aircon correctly. Car, it's expensive. AI will be vast cheaper. But asinayo yini le nto ethi njengoba sine-AI emabhanoyini kuma-drone yonke into asinayo yini ukuthi into ethi amabhanoyi ngelinye ilanga awuhlasela ama-military base ethu. Same flight will be remotely intercepted through Sigma. Sigma is a signal intelligence. The enemy in Rwanda, in Burundi, wherever the enemy is, he will be able to tap into our data and convert those flying jets currently to attack the bases. Because that is all about signal intelligence. Ithini le nto leyo? Because yonke into asafuna ukuthi sibe practical, the robot can do it. The robot can do it. Do you know that somebody else can open up your gate at home without him having your remote? Do you know that somebody else can open up your car without having your car keys? What will be difficult for the enemy abroad to fire the missiles that we've got in Pretoria, in Cape Town, in Durban, in Blomo, wherever you are? We've got missile installation wherever in all provinces. And what will you do if those missiles will fire on their own because of AI drive that is there? Kunezinto ezifuna ukuthi sithi reverse back and then start to be static when we put it. Because just now we got so many teachers already graduated, but AI is advancing. AI is much cheaper to study online rather than taking your child to school. Kunezinto ezofuna ukuthi sithi reverse back, siphinde sihlale phansi, sizibuke kahle. Sizibuke kahle. This is Babu Dr. Babu Jabe. Now sisenyangene yobusika, winter. Ngicabanga ukuthi mesikhuluma ngobusika it's whereby ezinye izinto zizingi lento okujuluka ebusuku ingcono ebusika, lento okushisela ebusuku ingcono ebusika, meaning that usuyakwazi ukulala amawindi avalela ebusika. You understand? Isikhathi sokulapha umuntu isilonda, it is winter. Njengoba siku-winter manje, it's a right time. It's a beautiful aim ukuthi ukwazi ukulapha umuntu isilonda. Sizokwazi ukulapha isilonda easy rather than ukuba lapha ehlobo. Njenganami babudota babesizojabe ngiprepare umuthi engifuna ukunika abantu njengoba sekuMay nje engizoba lapha isilonda ngo-R300 period. Ngoba isona isikhathi esiright sokulapha umuntu isilonda lesi. Otherwise you'll be failing dismally. But lo muntu lo ufuna abe prepared ukuye kushulo omhlophe. So that izokwazi ukuthi ke alapheke isilonda. Ungamlapha umuntu isilonda kodwa naye kufuna i-lifestyle yakhe ayishintshe. You understand? Kumanje sinabantu abaningi abagcwele ezibhedlela, most expensive hospitals, most rich people that are going to be amputated because of diabetic and this so. They have to be amputated. But we can pervert all that. Ukuthi wena uyolunqunya umlenze ngoba unoshukela and then you find it ethically correct ukuthi ulahlekelwe i-organ ebizanga. Do you know ukuthi unyawo lakho libiza more than 6 million? Unyawo lakho nje libiza more than 6 million. Lo nyawo wena ufuna kunqamuka ngoba wona u-R300 ngeke uzube nawo. Kungcono kunqamuke lo nonyawo lolu. Do you know ukuthi lo mama lona onesilonda wakuzala lo nkosikazi? Lengane nje onawo la igcekeni ekuzalela ingane ezinhle engake ezigcwele egcekeni zizalwa lo mama lona onoshukela wona ongakwazi umlapha ngoba uthi walobola. Kunezinto ezinye mfuna mesizikhuluma sibe nesense and understanding ukuthi why umuntu ungamlapha isilonda even ungahlanganisela utho naye. Kodwa njengoba ngikutshela nje uthi uma umkhwekazi wakho bafu enesilonda wena ungakwazi ungaphuzi isonto elilodwa inyanga yodwa uthathe lo mali okuyophuza umthengele isilonda umuthi ka3 months wazi period uphumile kuyena uma esindile kuphelile ngeke uloqiqeka umbuzo ukuthi njengoba ususindile ususonjani ungibuyisela imali yami. Kunezinto esizenzayo but sibone ukuthi singaboni ukuthi lana asisize siya invest. Ukusave umuntu umlenze into enkulu kakhulu ngoba lo mlenze uyanqunywa kabili omuyagcina eshonile. Unqunywa nje wakho umlilo ugcina ushukela lakho engasacontroleka at all. Asisho ukuthi abantu abangafa, abantu bazofa, but akube kufa kwabona kube ukuthi kuzanye obekuzanywa kodwa kafika la kuthiwa kuhlulekeka khona. Engizokusho nje ukufa kwabantu kuzohleze kukhona. Njengamanje sinokufa kwabantu okusilence ngendlela eyisimanga. Beating HIV by far. I mean beating HIV by far. Isifo sikashukela, diabetic. Njengamanje iSouth Africa status sakhona sithi plus or minus 4.2 4.3 million wabantu aba-diabetic and positive confirmed clinically diagnosed ukuthi banaleso sifo leso. Sina 23% wabantu abangadiagnosisiwe. 22.8 abangadiagnosisiwe ukuthi banoshukela but ama-symptoms zonke kashukela khona. Do you know what I'm trying to explain? We got more than 14 million people who are already diabetic. Esibabona ngoba sebeshawe stroke. Esibabona ngoba sebeshawe istroke. Lezi zinto lezi zizofuna ukuthi sizi-expose and sizikhulume. Ngoba asiboni kuyo yonke into njengoba njengenyanga uhulumeni esi-involve ukuthi ngoba nezinyanga abantu bebegula abamnyama 80% uqala kunini anibe nolwazi ukuthi sinabantu esingakabatholi ukuthi banoshukela. Ake nibheke le mpawu. Umuntu mena le mpawu mase nimrefer ukuthi hamba ocheck ushukela. Asimboni lo uhulumeni ekwenza lokho. But uhulumeni esimbonayo nasimbonelwa neMK ukuthi ikhuphulane inqabelana ukukhushula iVAT. Simbona uhulumeni eliswana noZuma ukuthi uZuma akhokhe u20 million alwela ngamacala. But ayeke labantu laba aba more than 10 million abangascreeniwe for diabetic but ama symptoms zonke. Angabe sijaha into ezobulala abantu. Sijaha into omuntu omdala ngaphezulu kwa80. Akekho umuntu eParliament ongangoZuma manje. Lona abamjahayo. He even served them. Abanye baseParliament manje babeka uyena ukuthi baba minister. Same ministers ajaha yena futhi. Kodwa nansi into efuna ngabe iyabhekwa. Ake kubhekwe impilo zabantu rather than chasing one person. Uma wena ignore impilo abantu aba14 million that may die. Ujahe uZuma yedwa neminyaka 80 plus. That doesn't sound good. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sisbojabile Vauntu. Muhle nje ngithi mina hands off Babu Zuma, hands off Msholozi. Let MK lead. Thank you.